I took a paid web scraping project and I had to scrape something like 5,000 data from an e-commerce website. Today, I want to talk about it and I want to show you how I took that project and also how I completed the code. Let's talk about the most difficult part of taking a project, which is finding a client, okay? I have several web scraping groups and also recently I've created one. So if you are interested, I can just put the link in description and you can join. People share their thought. Sometimes they even put their project. So if you're a web scraper, you can take that project and solve that and earn money. And also you have asked your questions, okay? And yeah, in that group, I found this guy who was looking for scraping data from this website, Construct Online CH from Switzerland, if I'm not mistaken. And he said that we need to scrape the category, the product code, the price, description, and images, and also for each product actually. So let's check out the website that I've already opened it. It is the website, okay? And it sounds okay. And he said that for each category, we need to scrape all available products. So it means that we have to scrape the whole database, okay? At first it was really tough, but it was not hard that much. So if you look at the categories, you can see that we have some categories here. And if you click on each category, you can find the products, okay? Nice. And also we need to paginate and find the pages, okay? So for each category. And yeah, first I just checked the website and I was trying to talk to that client, and I found that he was born in Iran, which was really funny and interesting, and he was trying to speak Persian. For example, Jaleb means interesting, or maybe he was just trying it and it was hard for him. I even don't understand. Can I work with you or something? I don't know, maybe. Anyway, and yeah, first I asked some questions. For example, I sent some photos because you need to understand what data you have to extract, okay? And you need to ask. And don't forget to ask, and it is really great because sometimes you scrape the data and complete the project, but the client is not satisfied, okay? And also he sent that, yeah, he wanted me to scrape all the categories, which was really important for him. And that's it. And I just, after proving myself, I sent some photos. First I extracted the categories with their link. I sent some videos, and he just understood that I'm able to scrape that website, okay? And for example, I said, okay, I extracted about 4K products for that website, okay? So the website has 4K products in its database, and yeah, he understood that I'm able, and he paid the project, and I earned something like $30, and he paid by cryptocurrency, okay? So let's see how I coded that project. I want to talk about the code briefly because it's not time to talk about all the codes, but I will create video and I separate this tutorial into 2 or 3 videos, and I share the tutorials tomorrow and maybe the day after tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, so let me just, yeah, so let's check out the website. Okay, and also let me open my VS Code. I took I separated my code into 3. That's why I'm gonna create 3 video tutorials for this maybe instruction. So first of all, I just extract all URLs for that website, okay? What all URL means? For example, first I took all categories, okay? I'm not able to read, I don't know, okay? I just took all the text of the main category, été, hiver, I think it is French, I'm not sure. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I wrote a code and I said that, okay, I want you to put the name and link and also everything that I wanted. I will explain in video tutorials. Just let me briefly talk about it. And first, yeah, and for example, for each category, we have a main URL. If you click on it, and if you come to each URL, you can see that we have, for example, 12 pages. Okay, and I said that okay, you need to find where is it? Yeah, here. You need to find the pages, and then I found that if we go to the next page, the main URL increases itself and it uses this format, and I simply just added to it, and I said that first of all you need to find how many pages do we have, for example 12 for this one, and then I just add this string at the end of the main URL. What is the main URL? Let me just show you only for the first category. For example, here I said that there is a tag, and you just need to scrape its href. Okay, you know how to do that. And yeah, hopefully I have a web scraping course which is completely free, and I will put the link in the description. It is made for beginners, and I talk about Beautiful Soup a lot. Okay, so if you are interested, just check that course out, which is really helpful. And yeah, so I did the same for all categories, and let me just divide it once again, up. So okay, and yeah, so now we have the paginations. Okay, we have all pages for each category. So the first step is to send a GET request to each page and extract all data. For example, we are at the moment we are in the first page, and we have these products. As you can see, I think 32 products each page, I'm not sure. And yeah, so I had to create a script to send a GET request to each page for each category and extract all products link. And as you can see, I have a code. Let me just close pagination.py, and I have a code named product links.py, and in this code I just send a GET request, as you can see, and I say that if the status code is 200, which is successful, I just scrape all available products link only. Okay, I just wanted to separate the code and take all projects because I haven't used any proxies for sending 4,000 requests. Okay, maybe my method is interesting for you, and I'm gonna show you how I did that, and they were not able to detect me. Okay, so I didn't get locked. And yeah, and after running this code, you will reach to something like this. For example, for the first category, we have the pagination we had, and I just add this part, product links for each page. Okay, for example, 12 pages, and we have, I took something like, I don't know, many. Okay, and at the end for each category I reached to 4,000, about 4,000, 3,800 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay, yeah, I just wanted to make my code separated because I have more concentrate on it. Okay, so what is the next step? We need to send a GET request to each product link and scrape data that customer or client wanted from us. Okay, and this process is simple too. Okay, I hope I will share a tutorial for these 3 codes tomorrow, so if you're interested you can check them out, and you will definitely find the links in the description below for those videos. And yeah, so just let me show you how I took the products, because I forgot. I said that there is a div with this ID, and you just need to scrape its a tag. Okay, it's simple. Okay, it was not hard at all. Okay, for example, if you hover on it, and let me just okay, where is the products? I said that, yeah, there is a, for example, there is a div with this JS product list, and I just go through it. I went through it, and I just scraped all the a tags because I just wanted to first take the links for each product. Okay, And then for product detail, I just scraped everything that that client wanted from me. For example, category, okay, soup.select, I use selectors. For example, select one, okay, for the product code, product name, product price, product description, product images, also some features. You will understand what I'm talking about if you check the video tutorial. And yeah, that's it. And I just save the data, and it was the result that I sent to the customer, I mean to the client, something like it was really, I mean, about 72,000 lines of information, which was great, yeah, isn't it? And I mean, the website was not able to detect me because I was changing my user agent, and also I was using some custom headers, and I said DNT for one. It means that do not track my requests, and it is optional. I'm not sure about this one, but it is my method that worked, and I sent something like 4,000 requests without getting blocked, and also without using any paid proxy or maybe free proxy. Okay, so it was really cool. And that's it. If you're interested in web scraping, you can take project, and I've shared many great things in my YouTube channel. Also, I have a free web scraping course for beginners, so if you're beginners, that course is really helpful for you. And so yeah, that's it. I just made something like $30 in I mean, this project took something like maybe 2 hours to just implement. Okay, so it's not a big deal. You can earn money easily, and the good news is that I didn't use any weird or difficult frameworks or maybe libraries. It was just the simple requests. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So if you're interested, just stay with me, because I'm gonna share the tutorials for each of these Python files, how I made that, how I found, for example, product details. Okay, and I want to show you why did I use these user agents in a list. I used some random I mean, I implemented some random functions to take one of them randomly each time. Okay, and I want to talk about how I made that selectors. Okay, so if you're interested and want to learn more, you can just check this course out. I mean, it's not a course, you can check these videos later. Oh my god. And yeah, that's it. So, and also I have converted the data into CSV for that guy. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It is the first time that I'm sharing some content like this. It sounds like a blog post, I'm not sure, but I was just wanted to show you how I took a paid project from Telegram, because we didn't use Upwork or Fiverr or other websites. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and because it really helped me to create more content for you. And also, I have to say that my name is Amir, and I create content about web scraping automation in Python. So if you're interested, don't miss my videos.